It's a battle nearly 10 years running. Samsung versus Apple, Galaxy versus iPhone. In 2018, it's all about the comparison between the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Apple iPhone X. We've heard every single argument under the sun about Android versus iOS, so let's table that for now and just talk about hardware and capabilities. There are clear similarities with the phones the moment you pick them up. Both are sleek metal and glass sandwiches with nearly the same dimensions. Both phones have the same 5.8-inch display size, and it could be argued that the iPhone X has the better display here. Though in my opinion it loses points and usable screen real estate for the unsightly notch at the top that the Galaxy doesn't have to deal with. The iPhone X is built better, there's no getting around it, and for $1,000 or about $200 more than the Galaxy S9, we shouldn't be surprised. Everything is just a bit tighter and nicer, and we know that the haptics are great on the iPhone X. Though Samsung's return to textured metal compares favorably to the overly shiny iPhone. In the wider scope of high-end phones though, both feel like they're built incredibly well. You also get many of the same hardware capabilities between the two, with wireless charging, waterproofing, stereo speakers, super fast internal specs. But let's remember that the Galaxy S9 offers a headphone jack, a feature that so many people still rely on every day. And though Face ID is clearly a great security solution, Samsung's fingerprint sensor is super fast and works in so many conditions where Face ID struggles. The one big win here is for the iPhone X with its dual rear cameras, something that you only get on the larger, more expensive Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, the new dual aperture lens and super speed dual pixel sensor on the Galaxy S9 look fantastic, but it comes up short in that it just can't offer the portrait mode shots or lossless zooming that the iPhone X can with its dual cameras. Whether that actually matters to you is another question altogether. For those who haven't yet been sucked into one ecosystem or the other, the Galaxy S9 and iPhone X definitely compare closely in physical size, capabilities, and overall mindshare. But at over $200 more, can you really call the iPhone X a competitor to the Galaxy S9? Even with its single camera and slightly lower material quality, the Galaxy S9 feels like a bargain compared to the iPhone X. To see more great videos like this, be sure to subscribe to us here on YouTube so you never miss a thing.